Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to invite candidates to your assessments. There are 3 simple ways you can do this. First, you can manually invite candidates by adding their details. This is perfect when you're inviting a few candidates individually. Need to invite a lot of candidates at once? No problem. You can bulk upload candidate information using a CSV file. Just download the sample CSV template, fill in the candidate details, and upload it back, saving you time and effort. Alternatively, you can create a public link for your assessment. This link can be easily shared with candidates or even embedded directly on your website, allowing multiple candidates to register and take the test at their convenience. And here's something even more convenient. You can also schedule your invites. Select the custom option and choose a date and time. The invitations will be automatically sent out to your candidates when you want them to receive it. And that's it. With these flexible options, inviting candidates to assessments has never been easier. Get started now and streamline your hiring process with Testlify.